Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a tutorial for the little message in a bottle type DIY kit that I got from Cobeads.com. I did put it in this little container that I had just to keep everything together so I didn't lose anything, and everything I need is all right there. I already have a bottle out, and let's see, I got my little tray out with some jump rings, little pieces, little charms. I've got a chain out to put it on the necklace, the messages. These are something I had in my stash from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. It's just some little filler, those little folded roll pieces that I would like to put in the bottle with it, just for some little extra texture. And then you will also need some tools to open and close your jump rings. So I'm just going to jump right into it, and we're going to put one. I'm going to put one together with you guys right here on video. Okay, so I also wanted, and not only it hanging on a chain, I wanted to try something out, and I want one of my charms to dangle inside the bottle. So I have already put in one of my little eyelet screws into the part that will go into the bottle. Yes. And it just screws right in. So I'm going to put the top one in, which will hang from the jump ring. So you just press it a little to get it started, and then just start twisting it in, just like a tiny little screw. There we go. And I just twist until it feels a little tight, which is when the round part starts to touch the cork. There we go. Okay, so let's work on the top part first for the cork. And like I said, you need some jump rings. Sometimes I use these little pliers that have this rubber in here. It's kind of like rubber to get a grip. Depends on what I'm doing, but for the jump rings, I like to use these little round nose pliers. I have another small one, and I like to use both of them to open my jump rings. So I'm going to go ahead and get one here. Let's see. And I do apologize, this video is posted a little bit later than I planned to. I was hoping for some swelling to go away before I did this, but it's not cooperating. So we're just going to put that on there, just like that. Close it up. And that will be what hangs from the necklace. So then we're going to take another one, and let's see what charm I want to put hanging inside. Starfish, dolphin, seahorse, key. I'm leaning towards the key for some reason. I don't know. A message in a bottle with a key to a secret place. I don't know. Something like that. Okay, so. And when I put this on here, let's see. I don't think. No, I can probably just do, yeah, just one jump ring. Okay. I thought I might need two, but I believe that it's going to be fine with just one. So, goodness. All right. Oh, okay. I thought I lost it. So, let's open this little baby up. I'm going to go ahead and stick my little key charm on there, and then I'm going to hook it to the eye screw that is in the bottom of my cork. And you do not have to do this part hanging on the inside. I just wanted to play with it while I'm doing this tutorial. Okay, so my top part is done. You can see I've got my cork on top. I mean my screw and eyelet, sorry, goodness. Jump ring on top, screw, jump ring and charm on bottom. And then what I wanted to do, I wanted to use some of this, this clear-ish iridescent foil pieces. Let's see if my little spoon will get this in here. Probably gonna make a mess, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna, let's see, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so I think I like that. All right, and now I'm gonna pick my little message pieces. I really think I've been doing a Valentine's project and the key. So I'm going to do a pink and a red. Yeah, a pink and a red. And that I may even be able to add some sequins to this. So that is done there. You just pop them into the bottle. And of course you can add more or less. You don't have to use the bits that I did. And if you want to if you're done and you won't be opening this back up again, when you put this on, you can always add some glue here to make it permanent. Okay, so I'm going to put my cork in, press down just a little bit, and if you can see, my little key is hanging there. Let's see, my little key is in there, hanging above my little messages and filler. All right, and then I do have the jump ring on top already. So, and this is all of these pieces come in this kit. Like I said, the only thing extra I used is the filler. It came with the jump rings and everything. It came with the chain for a necklace as well. So I'm gonna put my chain through my eyelet here. Why do I keep saying eyelet? My jump ring. Alright, now it is, there it is, strung on the necklace. Let's put that back together. And there is an adorable little message in a bottle charm necklace. Is that not super stinking adorable? I love it. And it was that easy. It's only been a few minutes. Not hard at all. And you don't even have to have the charm hanging inside. But I really like how that looks with the charm in there. You could even have multiple charms hanging. And you can also dangle some next to it. So that was really awesome. That was quick. It was easy. It is a pretty project. It will make great gifts. Just a fun little DIY to have. And as usual, I will have the link to these in the description box, so you guys can check it out if you like. And I do still have the code. It is Mama5Off01. That is OFF01. If you guys want to use my code for a discount. And okay, so I also wanted to pop on one of these charms. So this is my bracelet. I believe some of these did come from Cobeads that were gifted to me from others. But these charms I also got. They're like coins. She believed she could, so she did. So I knew I would like these for myself as well as to gift to friends. But I wanted to go ahead and pop one of those onto my bracelet. I'm not going to use the jump rings in there so that I know I have enough with that. I have some separate ones here, so I'm going to go ahead and grab. I'm going to use one of these thicker ones just because that is a heavier metal. And I mean, it feels like the weight of a coin or a quarter, just about. So, just as easy as the other ones. You take your jump ring, open it up. Oop. Goodness. Slippery fingers today. So, we're going to open it up. I'm going to stick my charm on there. And then, making sure it's facing the right direction. Yes, this way. And I want it over here. So, it goes that way. Yep. So, I'm going to stick it on. Hold it, come back around, grab it, and close it up. There we go. And now I have another inspirational charm to go on my bracelet. And I love that. Super simple. Just pop on a jump ring, and there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I will have the DIY kit and these coin type charms linked in the description. If you guys saw the first video, there's a hidden giveaway. And all I asked you to do was, like and comment, be subscribed, and to watch the videos that I will have from Cobeads. This is video number 2. There will only be one more. So, not a lot I'm asking. And the prize was one of the starburst die sets, this die set, and some goodies that will more than likely be Valentine's theme. So yeah, I will also link the first video in the description box if you've not seen it, so you can jump back and watch that one real quick. So yeah, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.